friends, welcome to Foodie Bites. Today we are making instant coconut chutney. To prepare instant coconut chutney, take fresh coconut, green chilies as per spice, 2 teaspoons of curd and salt. Grind it with little water. This coconut chutney will stay for 1 to 2 days. For talimpu tadka, heat oil, add mustard seeds, jeera seeds, red dal and red chili. Garnish talimpu on coconut chutney. Quick and fast instant coconut chutney is ready. Serve coconut chutney with vada, idli, dosa and bonda. Hope you all liked the video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on Foodie Bites.